Hello guys, in this video of Golang, I'm going to show you how to work with Json. In order to work with Json, first let's start by creating a struct. Let's name it person and have some fields like name, string, age, int, and say for example some car string array. So now let's create a variable of this custom data type. Let's name it p1. Let's give the name Atiban, age 28, and car. So it has to be a colon here. Car is going to be a string array, so string Benz Porsche. Yeah, so now our custom data type p1 is ready. Golang provides a method called json.marshal. This marshal takes a v interface, in our case person, and it returns a byte array and error. So this byte array is going to be our JSON. So marshal, we are going to pass in p1. It's going to return a byte array. Let's save it in data and error. So let's try to print it. Since this is a byte array, we are going to typecast into a string data. That's it. So let's try to run it. There, this is our JSON. Now let's try to do this in reverse. Try to convert this JSON to the custom data type. Let's copy this. Let's create a string variable data1 and paste the JSON here. Now let's create another object of the type person p2. This is going to be an empty variable of type person. Golang provides a method called json.unmarshal, wherein we are going to pass in the byte array of the JSON and v interface, in our case p2 of type person. So what unmarshal does is get the JSON from the byte array and saves it in the person. Let's try it. Unmarshal data1 comma p2. Now let's try to print it. p2 dot name. Since this is a string, unmarshal expects a byte array, so we need to typecast the string into a byte array like this. Let's save and let's try to run this. Got it. And one more thing, you just need to remember, all the field names here should be in caps. You'll be getting the same field names in your JSON. In case you need to get a different key, maybe with a small n, you can't just change it here, but you need to provide like this: JSON name. In this case, when you try to run this, you will get what you mention here as your key. So hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you. Catch you later.